we saw how the whole factory was organized around one leading principle, that really helped. It was impressive to see how the visual management system works, and how from top management to the work floor everybody works well in one similar way, shares one similar view, and that is impressive. Absolutely. So I've met Jeff twice when he visited the Netherlands the last few years, and one time he also put up a video link with the work floor, and still seeing the work floor from a few thousand kilometers away is very not like being there and walking around and seeing the cups and seeing the boards and seeing how the people interact. So being here really helps. Discussing what we see within the team really helps. And also hearing Jeff and hearing everybody else talk about waste, talk about the difference between push and pull and batch and bit, and showing the truth. Well, that helps a lot.